Hey guys, it's me Daphne, and today I'm doing another unboxing video. We're doing this hard shell Poppet and this just normal old foam squishy. We're going to start with the foam squishy because that's just what I have in my hand right now. Oh, here we go. There we go. This is soft. It's so cute. Oh, it's like a superhero little puppy. Oh, it smells so good. Is it supposed to smell good? I don't know. But oh my gosh, this smells really good. And it is super squishy. Look how cute this is too. Like, it's the superhero dog. I mean, who doesn't think these are cute? Oh my. Oh, I love it. Oh. You smell so good. Okay. Let's get to the hard shell Poppet. Okay, so here it is. It's just a box. And Nash got weights. That's why I got to get two things. Okay. Oh my gosh. Here's the good side. I don't know if it's even or not. You know what? Let's find that out with the bad side. Odd. Let's just count how many there are. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Guys, this Poppet is really good. But listen, this is a bad side. And here's the good side. Okay. If you're wanting to know how to get the following fidgets, go to 5 below. 3 of this one's mine, but these 3 are from my brother's fidgets. But because this one's mine, I just thought I'd show them. This dimple fidget spinner. This superhero dog squishy, which I'm pretty sure I got the only one. And, well, I wasn't going to add this at first, but I got it from 5 below at least. I don't think there are any more hard shell Poppets, unless, like, there is one, but it's not in a package. I had to look a lot for this one, so... There's one more package of Pop Chews right now. One more. So quick, hurry, 5 below and Newburgh, and you can be the one that gets it. So Rush to get the last package of 3 pop tubes now. Because, I mean, it could be gone by the time you watch this video, and you never know. Oh, and if you don't like pop tubes, oh, there's also Orbeez stress balls. So if you like Orbeez stress balls, go to 5 below. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the fidgets that we unboxed today one more time. Then we'll jump out of this video. Okay, obviously this. Look how cute. I mean, look at that tail. Look at that tail. So cute. And then this. So yeah, those are the fidgets. Bye, puppy kiss.